Okay, we're back out here in the desert, dry climate, up in an attic, and on this job site on the other side of the building. And I already pre-marked them. Everyone with the black mark on it is a leaker. This one's a little leaker when I get down in this, so this one's not too bad. This had a complete zero, even when I opened it up, stuffed it down inside. This was a zero, this was a zero. Leaker, 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 leaker. And dry attic, Walnut Creek, desert environment, always 100 and some degrees up in the attic. Humidity in this area is always like 30-40%. So what's the excuse this time? I know. It must be salt water from San Francisco going all the way across to Walnut Creek, or I know, maybe it's the fertilizer from the gardener who lives 6 blocks away, or the freaking asteroid lined up with Venus and the stars were in a straight line, and it's not ISOPOLAR's fault. But why is it every time I come to a job and there's ISOPOLAR, I could go directly to the line set and find all the leaks? We need to start a Wikipedia page. ISOPOLAR and refrigerant leaks, just on a Wikipedia.